Thinking about becoming a notary in Virginia? Here's what you need to know about the current, straightforward process. Right now, Virginia is a self-certifying state, which makes becoming a notary incredibly accessible. You don't need to pass an exam, complete a training course, or purchase a surety bond. This streamlined process allows qualified applicants to get commissioned without these common hurdles. However, this window of opportunity is closing. New legislation passed to fight fraud means that starting July 1st, 2027, mandatory education and a written exam will be required for all new and renewing notaries. Acting now simplifies your path. To be eligible, you must be at least 18, a legal U.S. resident, and either live or be regularly employed in Virginia. The financial barrier is also low. The state application fee is a non-refundable $45. Once your commission is approved and sent to your local circuit court, you'll pay a final $10 oath fee to the clerk. Aside from the cost of your seal and journal, that's it. The total startup cost is one of the most reasonable in the country. The process begins online. You'll create a notary management account on the Secretary of the Commonwealth's website, complete the application, and pay the fee. Processing typically takes about 3 to 4 weeks. Once approved, you'll be notified that your commission has been sent to your chosen circuit court. You then have a strict 60-day window from the issuance date to visit the clerk, take your oath of office, and officially claim your commission. Don't miss this deadline, or you'll have to start over. A major law change took effect on July 1st, 2026. All Virginia notaries are now required to keep a chronological journal of every notarial act they perform, whether on paper or electronically. This record must be maintained for at least 5 years from the transaction date. The journal entry should document key details, like the date, type of act, document description, and how you identified the signer. This new rule closes a previous gap and adds a layer of security to traditional notarizations. Another new rule, also effective July 1st, 2026, changes how you buy your supplies. To purchase a physical notary seal or stamp, you must now present proof of your commission to the vendor. This is typically the commission certificate you receive from the circuit court. Both you and the seal manufacturer are required to keep a record of this verification for at least 5 years. This measure helps ensure that only actively commissioned notaries can obtain the official tools of the office. Virginia is a pioneer in remote online notarization, or RON, having been the first state to authorize it back in 2012. After you have your traditional commission, you can apply separately to become an electronic notary. This allows you to perform notarizations for signers located anywhere in the world using secure audio-video technology, all while you are physically in Virginia. You can charge up to $25 per electronic act, offering a powerful way to expand your services beyond local in-person clients. The path to becoming a Virginia notary is clear, but the process is changing. Take advantage of the current no-exam, no-course requirements while they last. For a complete checklist, links to the official application portal, and detailed study guides to prepare for the future, visit the full article on our website. Click the link in the description below to get started on your commission today.